the day I saw your smile. Time froze for just a little while. Didn't know love could feel so true, but every heartbeat calls for you. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you. Through the storm, through the blue, I will stand, I will stay with you till my final day. We don't need crowds, we don't need fame. Just whisper softly my name. Let the rain fall, let the night start. Nothing can break this beating heart, yeah. If the world falls apart, you'll still live in my heart, like a song that never ends, like the sea and the wind. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning, no matter where this road may go, your love is the home I know. My heart belongs to you, darling. Every sunrise, every morning. Mama Africa, why you cry? Oh, cry. Oh, why? She wake up before the sunrise, carry water with tear-stained eyes. Children barefoot on the broken clay, still sing songs to chase the pain away. Bullet holes in her ancient walls, echo of freedom in the market cars. She fed the world with a golden land, yet she trembled with empty hands. Oh, mama, wipe your tears tonight. Your light will chase away the night. From Sahara winds to Cape Coast Sea, your heart still beat for humanity. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Children hungry, no food inside, but we sing a man love, Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit laugh, it will never decay. Rich men dying in the city lights, while your people shiver through the coldest nights. Politicians talk with a silver tongue, but no bread reach the old nor young. Still I see hope in the dancers' feet, still I hear love in the reggae beat. Every dreadlock man, every Rasta child, carry your story in a heart so wild. Don't lose faith, mama, hear this song. Even broken wings can fly along. From the ashes of pain and crime, Jah will heal you in His time. Mama Africa, why you cry tonight? Why you cry? Hungry, no food inside, but we sing a man like Moja unite. Hold on tight, we'll make it right. Mama Africa, don't you fade away. Your drums still beat when we kneel and pray. From Addis Ababa to Montego Bay, your spirit life, it will never decay. Choo-choo, the train of justice is coming. All aboard if you're tired of the system running. Hey, follow, never ask, never find. But truth is a fire that Babylon can't kill. It rise in the mountains, it flow through the hills. Mama cry tears on the broken floor. Society rich while the poor want more. Still we chant down fear, chant down pain, waiting for the sound of the freedom train. Open your eyes, my brother. No man should rule over another. Let the lion roar again. Time to ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From trench town plains to Soweto land. No guns, no war, only Jaja plan. Freedom train, take the people's hand. All aboard, don't you delay. Justice come, fill light the way. Hear the whistle through the rain. Stand tall, ride the freedom train. Politicians talk, but them words so cheap. While mama work hard, barely get no sleep. Youth on the corner with no food to eat. Still jaw drum beating at them heartbeat. They try to divide us by color and name. Black, white, brown, but our blood the same. So we break down walls, tear down the chain, and walk together to the freedom train. Do you hear it?
Yes, I hear it.
Do you feel it?
Yes, I feel it.
Jaja calling every nation again. Come ride the freedom train. Freedom train is rolling. No more chain controlling. From Kingston town to Zimbabwe plain. Wave your flag but keep your name. Truth and rights we shall proclaim. I don't want peace without justice. I don't want freedom for just one man. Freedom is the breath of humanity, and every man, woman and child deserve to stand.
Freedom, freedom.
Right on, right on. Freedom train is rolling. Take the children home. No one left in the streets alone. From Addis Ababa to Rio Grande, people hold each other hand in hand. Can't stop the flame. Jah light guide the holy name. Through the fire, through the pain, still we ride the freedom train. Choo choo, ride on, ride on. Freedom come. No more chain. Ride the train, the freedom train. No matter what Babylon try, them can't kill the spirit of the lion. Africa rise, Jamaica rise, the whole world stand tall. I was born in a place where the rain don't stop, but hope still grow like a small tree top. System rough, but we still survive, cause we carry lion heart deep inside. Mama pray, Moyo Imara stay strong, even when the night feel too long. From Kingston town to Nairobi street, we drum the rhythm of a rebel heartbeat. Them build walls, we break them down. Them wear fake gold, we wear Jah crown. No matter the pressure, no matter fight till the final goal. Who will rise when the night get cold? We stand firm, we brave, we bold. Lion heart freedom beat like a drum. Fire in our soul, no more we run. Stand up tall, warriors of the land. Hold your flame in your hand. From Trenchtown to Nigeria, we chant Uru for Africa. No chain, no fear can tear we apart. Cause we walk with a lion heart. Lion heart freedom. Lion heart freedom. Yeah, lion heart freedom. Lion heart freedom. Yeah, lion heart freedom. Lion heart freedom. Yeah, I say one people, one destiny.
Me sip one cup of tea, life still rough but me will hear the drum beat from the distance, Africa calling. Even if me stumble, my spirit not falling. Youth them hustle it in a cold city street. Barefoot youths in a sand feel the same heartbeat. Babylon put pressure but we no retreat. Cause iron heart still a beat, beat, beat. Mama said, child, keep love inside. Even when they push you to the darkest side. Chant, we sing, we break the chain. Lion heart still beat. No surrender, no fear. Just spirit whisper in every ear. Hold on strong, redemption near. We born for fight, we born for cheer. Sister selling fruits by the roadside stall. Brother carry stone building hope from the fall. Politician talk but them no answer the call. Still the poor man dreaming a better for all. Rasta youth read Psalms on the tree. Speak truth about love and unity. He said freedom a must, not luxury. And Africa a flow in you and me.
Hey Mama Africa,
We hear you calling ya.
oh Jaja,
Guide we soul, never let we fall.
rise up warriors.
Stand tall, love are the key, love conquer all. Lion heart still beat, stronger than before. We spirit rich though we pocket poor. Spread the love from shore to shore. We not give up, we're our once. Lion heart still beat. Let the world unite, black, white, every nation in a delight. Blow the trumpet, keep the fire bright. With destiny is freedom right. Oh, lion heart still beating. Oh, Jah guide the path me a walking. No chain, no fear, just love we speaking. Mama earth crying,
Drum beat echo from the mountain land. Ubuntu, one love, no deny. Rise up, people, open your eyes. Hear the breaking. No shelter from the rain. Ubuntu we are one, no bother, no divide. Same blood in our veins, same ocean tide. From Kingston streets to Soweto sky, we stand as one. We never say die. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, stop the burning, stop the hurt. Oh, from Trenchtown roots to Nairobi sun, we are one people, we shall overcome. Rise up, hear the heartbeat drum. No more silence, time for overcome. Children barefoot in a desert sun, searching for water with empty hand. Still them smile, still them sing just song, even when the nights feel cold and long. Jambo Rafiki, peace to the land. Hold my heart in your hand. We plant the seeds of love in our soil. Watch it grow despite the toil. Rise up for Mama Earth. Oh, heal the land, give it word. Oh, from Addis Ababa to Spanish Town, we lift the people when life beat them down. From the mountain to the sea.
If the earth die, we die too. So why we fight each other instead of holding hands and heal her? Mama Earth is not a place we own, it's a place we borrow from the children.
Rise up, Mama don't fade. Give her love like a newborn lay. From Kingston Harbor to Cape Town shore, one heart, one world, forevermore. Jah-line, guide the way. Ubuntu, one love, one day. Rise up, rise up. Feet on the ground, but me spirit a grow. Hear Mama hum in ancient song. Say old faith child stay strong. Road dusty, but me march again. Through the fire, through the pouring rain. Them try to chain, but me heart not them. Cause a warrior of light must remain. Oh Mama say no fear my son. Star shine brightest when night. Lift your voice, let the whole earth hear.
Jah never far, Jah always near.
I am a warrior of the light, just soldier in the fight through the darkness of the night. My spirit still burn bright, no chains can hold me soul, no system take control. From Africa to the world, me carry Jah love unfold.
Warrior of the light, we chant for truth and right. Raise your hand if you believe one love can end the fight.
No Babylon, no pressure.
Jah love are the treasure. Stand tall, my brother, line live forever.
Me see youths with no shoes, yet them still dance. Me see tears in a mama eyes, still she give life a chance. Politician promise, but them break every plan. So we build up in a song like a true Rasta man. From Kingston streets to Nairobi land, from Soweto Christ to Zion sand. We sing freedom like the beating drum, till every last generation. Sometimes the rain won't stop, clouds cover the sky. You try to stand strong, but you break down and cry. People say hold on, but they don't feel your pain. Still your heart whispers softly, sun will shine again. Barefoot youth on a broken street, dreaming of a future with food to eat. Mama work all day, Papa gone astray, but hope is a fire that don't fade away. No worry about the stumble, no worry about the fall. Jaja see your tears, he hear your call. From the valley low to the mountain high, he promised morning come after night, and the sun will rise again. Wipe the tears and dry the rain. Even when the world feels cold, hold on to your soul, be bold. Yes, the sun will rise again. Every trouble has an end. From the ashes, life remains, and the sun will rise again. Yeah. Trouble come like a river wide, but don't let it wash away your pride. You're stronger than the storm you face. You're a warrior, child of grace. They might laugh when you fall to the ground, but every king once wore a thorny crown. Every flower bloom after the rain. Every smile was once born from pain. Stand up, my friend, don't lose your way. Blessings come for those who pray. Even if your heart feels faint, Jah never give you more than you can take. And the sun will rise again after strain. Don't you let your spirit change. Jah light always remain. You may feel like giving up, you may feel like the world don't care, but hear me now, a seed must go down in a darkness before it push to the light and bloom. So don't give up, your sunrise soon.
Rise again,
Rise again,
rise again.
no chains, no pain can hold you down. Yes, the sun will rise again. Hear the drum, feel the chain break, friend. From Kingston town to Berlin Lane, hope will always remain. Sun will rise again, don't you cry no more. Open up your heart, open up the door. From the river to the plain, Jah promise, sun will rise again. Rise again. Oh, shine bright tonight.
The morning breeze, me hear a drum from far away, beating like the heartbeat of the earth and clay. Mama whisper, son, the world can change today if we hold up tight and never stray. Children barefoot on the dusty lane, singing songs of hope through hunger pain. Africa cry, Jamaica feel the same. Different land but the blood one flame. And in hand, no matter the skin, black, brown, white, Jah dwell within. Hear the river, it start to sing. Love is the only way. One drum, one soul, one beating heart. Though we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that
from struggling years. Fire burn but spirit stay strong. That's why we sing this freedom song. Me see soldier with gun in hand. Me see you them still pray for land. But me know deep in every man, Jah plan love like a grain of sand. One drum, one soul, one beating. Although we miles apart, we are one from the start. Raise your voice, let the whole world know. Love is the fire that forever glow. One drum, one soul, no chains tonight. We chant for peace and human right. From Kingston town to Mali sand, unity are the law of Jah land. Africa,
One with the earth,
Zion children rise up high. No more war, no more cry.
no more cry.
Nobody truth, no lie. One people, one voice we try. One drum, one soul, sound the freedom call. We might stumble, but we never fall. From Port-au-Prince to Senegal. One drum, one soul, sound the freedom call. We might stumble, but we never fall. From Port-au-Prince to Senegal. Jah love surround us all. One drum, one soul, chant the healing sound. Even when the night come down, we hold the light, we stand the ground. One love, one heart, still profound.
The drum still playing, heart still praying, world still changing. One home, one soul, one love remaining.
Under the mango tree, me and you talk about the dreams we wanna pursue. Your laughter sweet like island breeze. Your touch calm me out with ease. When life get rough, when the night's so long, you there beside me, keep me strong. You give me faith, you give me reason. Our love flow through every season. Roots of love growing deep inside. No storm can break, no tide divide. From the earth to the stars above, we hold on strong to the roots of love. Roots of love, pure and true. Every beat my heart belong to you. In this world so cold and rough, we find peace in the roots of love. Me no need diamond, me no need gold. Just your warmth when the night get cold. You and me, two soul entwined. In a Jah light we always shine. From Kingston town to the ocean blue, every love song remind me of you. Together we rise, together we fall. Still me love you through it all. Every little moment me cherish it so. Every little word made my spirit glow. No Babylon stress can tear this apart. Jah bless our love from the start. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Roots of love, steady like a drum. Beat of me heart, say you the one. From the sunrise to the moon above, we live forever in the roots of love. Hold me close, me darling, true.
Love so strong, you carry it through.
Jah bless this bond, Jah bless this way.
Roots of love forever stay.
Me no fear tomorrow when you're there here. Your voice me comfort, your soul me cheer. In the rhythm of life we groove. One heart, one spirit, one love to prove.
Roots of love,
Deep like a tree, stand firm through eternity. No matter the distance, no matter the pain, our roots of love remain. Roots of love bloom again and again, in sunshine, in joy, in rain. Jah guide our heart from above, forever strong. Roots of love. Feel your heartbeat next to mine. Love eternal, Jah divine. Through every trial, every shove, we rise again with roots of love.
Remember where your soul was made, in the drumbeat of the earth. Find your pain, find your worth. Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire.
Don't let fear lead you astray. Every nation, every skin, we all bleed the same within.
Roots and freedom, let it grow. From the river to the soul, hold the fire, don't let go. Our roots and freedom, Jah knows. Roots and freedom, Jah light will lead us home.
Are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky. A quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Yeah. Palm trees swaying in the breeze. Nature whispers soft and free. the storm fade away. Let the night turn to day. Every soul needs a place where the light meets
Me come from the root, me come from the fire. Drum beating on my blood, truth never tire. Mama Africa, call me name from afar. Say child, remember who you are. Me no live for vanity, me no live for show. Me live for truth that the ancestors know. From the desert sand to the river Nile, the spirit of the roots man never go mild. They try to twist the story, try to hide the face, but the spirit of the roots man still there on the place. No matter how Babylon system try, them can't stop your people rising. Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground. Drum and bass keep rolling round and round. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa sound, shall I never lost, it's always found. Roots man vibration, rise up and stand. Hold your culture in your hand. One love, one faith, one creation. We chant this roots man vibration. You see the youth them lost in a social maze, chasing shadow, forgetting the old ways. But me tell them no worry, come home again. The ancestors watching through the mountain rain. Every dreadlock, every drum beat cry, remember your root, don't let it die. Me see the vision clear in a Zion breeze. Freedom grow like fruit on the trees. Them say progress mean forgetting past, but without root no tree can last. So stand tall, me brothers and me sisters. The root at the start, not the end. Mama Africa, me hear your song.
Roots man never go wrong.
From Ghana to Jamdoland, one jaw, one heart, one stand. Lift your drum, beat it strong. Babylon fall, Jah kingdom come.
Jah, Jah, we still hold on. Roots man leave, never gone.
Roots man vibration, shake up the wall. Freedom voice, echo for all. No more chain, no more fear. We bring the message loud and clear. Roots man vibration, light up the sky. Just spirit never die. Raise your flag, sing this song. Roots man heart forever strong.
Roots man vibration, feel it in the ground.
Roots man still drum.
Roots man vibration,
Just still tell.
roots man,
Roots
walking through the valley of shadows and pain. But my spirit never bow, me still call your name. Babylon try to break us, but we stand tall still. Cause the power of the people stronger than their will. Mama cry when the soldier come at night. Them burn down the village, still the right. But from the ashes the lion still roar. We not turn back, we fighting some more. Oh mama says, son, keep your faith alive. Even when the storm come, you must strive. Plant the seed, let the children grow. One day the whole world will know. Freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chance but we so no fear in a crowd. From trends down to Ethiopia land. Raise your fist, let the drums command. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Wipe the tears from the children's eyes. Though the road long and mountain high, with Jah by we side we will never die. Drums beating like a thunder in me chest. Ancestors whisper, child, do your best. Africa calling through the wind and rain. Time to break the invisible chain. Them say peace, but them deal with gun. Them say love, but them build prison. But we bring truth like the morning sun, till every last battle won. Oh, chant down Babylon, chant them down till the morning come. Oh, oh, stand up everyone. One heart, one soul, we strong. Africa, we home again. Mama Africa, heal the pain. We rise like the bright red flame. Whoa, freedom chant, we are singing loud. No chains pan with soul, no fear in a crowd. From Cape Coast Castle to Zion sand, lift your voice, let the message stand. Freedom chant, let the people rise. Fire burn all the hate and lies. Though night dark and cold we cry, sun and shine in the morning sky. Freedom chant, Jah guide me. No chain can bind me. Walking free, spiritually. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. In the darkness, me see a light shining bright from Jah mountain high. Last night, me pray for a better day. Now the morning come, me hear the children say, rise up, mama, the sun is here. Time to wash away the pain and fear. From Kingston town to Cape Coast Bay, we chant together, one heart, one way. Jah bless the soul, we never stop fight. Even when Babylon block the light, from the ashes we rise again, like the morning dew on Zion plain. Sunrise over Zion, a new day, Jah people lion, yeah. Freedom flame still burning strong. We sing one love, one righteous song. Sunrise over Zion, oh, let the river of peace still flow. No more war, no more cry, only Jah love paint the sky. But granny tell me long ago, every seed of truth must grow. Though Babylon chain me hands and feet, them can't chain my soul so sweet. We walk through fire, we walk through rain, still we smile and call your name. Them build wall to keep we low, but the spirit of Africa still glow. Children of the sun, lift up your eyes. No more tears, no more lies. We are one blood, one nation strong. Jah melody carry we Jah people fly. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, let the drums of freedom flow. We nah go bow, we nah go fall. Jah rise the weak, Jah humble the tall. Oh mama Africa, can you hear we cry?
We coming home, we coming home.
From Kingston shore to Nairobi sky.
We never alone, we never alone.
Lift your voice, lift your soul.
Zion fire make we whole.
Hey together, bless the way. Morning light bring a brand new day. Sunrise over Zion, yeah. We rise again, no denying, yeah. Children of Jah, sing loud and clear. Freedom time is finally here. Sunrise over Zion. Oh, hear the drum beat, feel the glow. From Africa land to island sand, Jah people united hand in hand. Rise, my brother, rise. Sunshine, heal your weary eyes. Zion calling, don't you fear. Jah love whisper, I'm right here.
Sunrise,
Sunrise,
sunshine,
over Zion. One heart, one soul, one Jah design. Wake up to the morning light. Though the world is cold sometimes, I hear the drums of ancient souls calling me to stay alive. My mama said, child, don't lose your faith. Storms will come, but they don't stay. So I keep walking this dusty road with Jah love lighting my way. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way, Jah guide my way. Crown and selfish schemes, but I was born from African clay. My spirit no one can take away. Let the wind carry my song to the ones who feel they don't belong. Lift your head and sing with me. Love is our true legacy. Jah guide my way through night and day. Keep my heart from going astray. When the darkness starts to rise, your love is my sunrise. Jah guide my way, I'm not alone. Even far away from home, I will stand, I will pray. Jah guide my way. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. Oh Jah, oh Jah, oh Jah. I've seen brothers fall to hate, sisters crying at the gate. But even in the hardest time, Jah still whispers, you are mine. So let the fire burn in peace. Let your anger find release. Plant forgiveness in the ground, and one day love will be found. Emancipate your wandering mind. Leave your broken past behind. Every heart was made to shine. We are children of divine. Jah is not in temples made of stone. Jah is found when love is shown. Close your eyes, you will see He lives
fall on the window pane. Still your love wash away my pain. Rubber dub love. Yeah. Soft rain falling in the midnight hour. You pull me close like a tropical flower. No fancy ring, no gold to show, but your heartbeat tell me all I need to know. Life hard sometimes, bills pile high, but when you smile, my spirit fly. You say, baby, love will find a way, and all my troubles slowly fade away. Hold me tight in the gentle rain. Your touch shield my deepest pain. No matter storm or hurricane, you and I remain. Loving all the rubber dub rain. You soothe my soul, erase the pain. No diamond, no fortune or fame, still I whisper softly your name. Loving all the rubber dub rain, like reggae rhythm, sweet and plain. In your arms I will remain, forever in this rubber dub rain. Lightning flash across the cloudy sky, but in your eyes I see sunshine. We dance slow, barefoot on the floor. No music playing, but we still want more. Kiss on your lips tastes like sugar cane, warm like the fire in a bamboo flame. People search the world for something true, but all I want is right here, me and you. Rain keep falling, but me don't care, long as your fingers run through me, yeah. Let the world run wild out there. We got love to share. Loving out the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Loving out the rubber dub rain. You ease my soul, you heal it. Like reggae drum in a gentle refrain. We beat together, same heart, same lane. Them say love is our weakness, but no, love is the strongest fire we know. Rain might fall, river might overflow, but when two hearts beat as one, love still grows. Rubber dub rain, baby, don't let go. Rubber dub rain, love will overflow. Loving all the rubber dub rain, from Kingston streets to London train. If the world should cause us pain, we'll rise again. In rubber dub rain, our rain falls, love call, you and I stand tall. Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain.
Rubber dub rain. Rubber dub rain.
Night breeze blows soft on the ocean tide. You and I walking slow, side by side. Your hand in mine, heart beating true. Every little star in the sky shine for you. Girl, your laughter sweeter than morning dew. When you smile, my whole world brand new. No diamonds, no gold, just the truth we share. In our this life, love is the prayer.
No worry about tomorrow, no cry tonight. As long as you're here, everything feel right. Hold me close, let the world drift away, and in your arms, me wanna stay.
so kind. Loving out in moonlight, slow wind and sway. Two souls dancing till the break of day. No matter where this world may go, me heart said, darling, I love you so.
Palm trees whisper song in the night. Your kiss warm like candlelight. Life may rough, but love make it soft. We human flying high above every line. No jealousy, no games, no lies. Just true living deep in your eyes. Like sweet harmony on a vinyl plate. Our love timeless and never late.
You know you love me
More than rivers love the sea.
Will you stay with me
Till the stars fall asleep.
together? Love is the melody we keep. Loving out the moonlight, night so calm and pure. Every heartbeat whisper this love secure. Hold me tight, never let go. Baby girl, me want the whole world to know. Loving out the moonlight, soft reggae play. Your head on my shoulder till the morning day.
If life is a journey, make we ride it slow. With love as a river, forever it
Moonlight,
flows. Shine for you and me tonight.
love so right, love so bright. Yeah, one night. Walking down this dusty lane, no need diamonds, no need fame. Every heartbeat sounds the same. Chasing love, not chasing fame. On the one love highway, where the music plays and worries fade. Under golden days, hold my hand, don't be afraid. We'll find peace along the way. On the one love highway, love will guide us every day. People come and people go, but the river still will flow. Kindness is the seed we sow. Watch it rise and gently grow. No borders in this melody, just hearts in unity. Let the rhythm set us free. One love for you and me. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. Yeah. One love, one way. We keep moving, come what may. One love, one name. One love, one name.
Sitting by the coconut tree, waves are singing melodies to me. Sunset colors paint the sky, a quiet place where troubles die. Take me to the island of peace, where the war in my mind can cease. Lay my fears on the sandy shore. I don't wanna fight no more. Palm trees swaying in the breeze, and nature whispers soft and free. Hear the heartbeat of the sea, calling you and calling me. Let the storm fade away, let the night turn to dim. Every soul needs a
telling me to quit. World is heavy and the pain don't fit, but I hear a heartbeat louder than the fear. Reggae rhythm whisper love is always here. Raise your hands, let the sun shine in. Every ending is a place to begin. Even when the night is long and cold, sing your song, let your spirit unfold. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. Keep the fire burning. Walking through the streets with no goal to show, but I've got love and that's enough to grow. See the children dancing barefoot in the rain, teaching us joy in the middle of the pain. Let the drum beat carry you away, let forgiveness wash the hate away. We are warriors of peace and sound, stronger every time we fall to the ground. Keep the fire burning, don't let it die. Even when the tears fall from your eyes, hold on to hope, don't lose your light. Jah Jah will guide you through the night. Keep the fire burning, keep your soul alive. Every heartbeat says survive. Stand tall, don't stop, keep turning. Keep the fire burning. No chains can hold a soul that sings. No crown can rule the heart of kings. Rise up, push through the storm. Cold hearts too can be warm. Hearts too can be warm. Keep the fire burning. Africa, Jamaica, all the people unite. One love, one fire. Oh, Jah guide the way. Yeah, yeah. Morning sun arise on the hill. Children cry, but them keep still. Mama say tender way, ma. Do good. My child don't fear, for Jah Jah blessings always near. We walk barefoot through the burning sand, but still we strong. Still we stand from Kingston town to Addis Ababa. We sing Uhuru, freedom for Africa. No chain can hold the lion's heart. No storm can tear this love apart. From the drums to the heartbeat sound, we rise up when we hit the ground. Whoa, rise up my people. Oh yeah, Jah light a blaze like a steeple. From Zion rain to the motherland, we holy fire in our hand. Hey, yeah, yeah. Rise up, I and I together. Oh yeah, through any storm, any weather. One love, one blood, one song. No matter how the journey long. Hey, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Hey. Them tell we lies in a history book. Try fi take we name, try fi take we ask me, so me answer, Umoja unity, let it flow. From Lagos streets to Trenchtown Lane, we chant don't greed, we break the chain. Are you ready for the freedom song?
Hey Baba, we are strong.
Will you fight till Babylon fall?
Oh yes, we answer the call.
Drum, djembe, heartbeat, same song. Ancient voices rise from the ground. No more war, no division, only love and Jah vision. Hey. Rise up, my people.
Oh yeah,
Jah love is the highest people. From Kingston Bay to Kilimanjaro. No fear, no hate, no sorrow. Stand tall, my African child. Your spirit brave, your heart wild. One world, one faith, one song. Together we forever strong. Freedom shall come. One love, one heart. Africa, Jamaica, forever one. I say, Amen. Jah Rastafari. From Kingston Street to Lagos town, from Cape Coast shore to London sound, we chant the same song, we beat the same drum. Different color but the blood run one. Them try divide we with border and line, but love no race, love is divine. So me lift my voice, me sing it clear. All nations come, the time is near. One world, one heartbeat, hear it in the drum. Jah love connect the people, we all want. No more war, no more hate. Let the love vibrate, let the world elevate. Oh, one world, one heartbeat, children of the sun. Unity rise, the battle done. Lift your hand, chant this song. One world, we belong. Me see the children hungry crying out, while the leaders fight for clout. But me know one day the walls will fall when the people hear Jah call. Africa smile, Caribbean sway. Spirit of love guide we way. Me no care about skin or creed. Jah plant the same seed there. Every nation come together. We stronger now than ever. Hold the light, let the darkness fade. One love foundation laid. One world, one heartbeat, beating through every color. Red, black, white, blue. Jah music heal the pain inside. One world, love we guide. Whoa. Oh, we guide.
Ubuntu,
I am because we are
one world family near and far.
Simunye.
Together we rise.
Jah light shining on all we eyes.
Drumbeat echo from shore to shore. One world people fight no more. Lift your heart, let your spirit free.
One world unity, one world, one heartbeat. Rise again, love conquer mountain, conquer pain. From Trenchtown hills to Accra street, we move to one heartbeat. Oh, one world, one heartbeat. Jah plan divine, peace and justice in Jah time. Play the drum, sing this song. One world where we all belong. alkaline.
Jello flow like ocean wide.
One world, one heartbeat.
We ride.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, na, na. Oh, na, na. Yeah, yeah. Wake up the morning sun, feel the breeze by my face. Mama pray in a silence, Jah guide them with grace. Road rough, but me trod with the heart full of fire. No change for my spirit, only dreams getting higher. Me hear the drum from Africa calling me name. From Kingston to Lagos, we all feel the same. People crying, but still we sing through the pain. Cause the rain never stop the sunlight from rain. Oh mama, don't you cry no more. Better days knocking at the door. We've been down on the dusty floor, but we rise once more. Rise up in the morning sun. Jah Jah bless every daughter and son. We not give up till the victory come. Heart strong, spirit like the beating drum. Rise up, no matter the fight. Hold tight, keep your faith in alive. From trenches to mountains high, we go shine like stars in the night sky. Whoa, like stars in the night sky. Children barefoot on the red dirt ground, still laughing to hunger around. Africa my blood, Jamaica my song. We've been broken but we stay strong. Politicians chat but action slow. Still the youth them ready for grow. Plant the seed of love, let the river flow. Teach the world what the elders know. Jah light shining through the storm tonight. One love, make the people unite. No change can hold down a free soul life. Africa calling back we to the roots. So rise up in the morning sun. Juma beats and the freedom come. From Trenchtown straight to Cape Town slum. Unity are the anthem where we are. Rise up, hold the fire high. No more tears in our mama eye. Storm may blow but the spirit fly. We were born to rise, never die. Oh, to rise, never die. Rise up. Jah lights a guide we step. Oh, no fear, no fret, till the last sunset. Rise up. Na na na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Me walk through the valley where the people cry. Babylon system watching from the sky. Soldiers in a street, guns in a youth face, but we still chanting love and grace. Mama cooking rice with tears in her hand. Papa working hard on the stolen land. But no matter how tough the road may bend, we not bow down, we will defend. They try to break our spirit, but still we rise. We wipe the tears from the children's eyes. As long as just Sunday in the sky, freedom a come, no lie. Stand tall, no chains again. We were born to be free, my friend. From the ghetto streets to Zion Plain, raise your voice like thunder rain. me see poor man share his bread worldwide and build border. But love no know no all. We all one people when the night fall. Children singing one love in the breeze. Africa calling through the rustling trees. Drum beat echo in every land. Say rise up youth, time to stand. Hey mama Africa, we feel your heartbeat. Yeah, oh brothers rise and fight. Stand firm for truth and right. Chains broken, spirit high. No more tears, no more cry. Jah light, guide we through the night sky. Stand tall, no chains again. Let the fire of freedom rain. From Kingston town to Soweto plain, we chant till the whole world gains. Stand tall, no chains again. Iron shackles turn into rain. Let the drum beat wash the pain. One love, one world remain. Oh, no chains again. Stand tall, my friend, till the very end. Oh, Jah love we defend. Oh, no chains again. Ah, da, 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 no chains again. No chains again. No chains again. Chains again. No chains again. Me hear the thunder roll across the plain. Voice of the ancestors call me name. Say son of Zion, stand up tall. No matter how many times you fall, me rise from dust, me wash me pain. With the fire of truth flow through me vein. The system try to break me down, but me spirit wear the lion crown. Rise of the lion, roar so loud. Break the chain, we stand so proud. No fear, no tear, Jah by my side. Rise of the lion, let love be the guide. Rise of the lion, strong and free. Roots of the people from sea to sea. Jah light shine, we can't divide. Rise of the lion, worldwide. Africa calling on me dream last night. Come home, me child, time to unite. Me feel the drum beat deep in a bone. Ancestors tell me you're never alone. They fight we with gun, they fight we with law, but they can't stop the truth me saw. Me chant on Babylon every dawn, till righteousness reborn. Jah give me vision, Jah give me word. Lion roar, the whole world heard. Freedom song from Kingston sound. Rebel hearts all gather round. Rise of the lion, burn the lies. Open your heart, open your eyes. We are the people, never bow down. Rise of the lion, wear your crown. Whoa. Rise up, children of the sun. Ubuntu. Jah fire keep the spirit bright. Way up, drum talk, me hear it call. No man greater, we all stand tall.